part A, right? There is serial number, then we have items, then price, then rate of GST, rate of GST, then discount. We have two products, right? One is hair oil. We have hair oil, serial number 1, and its price is 1200 rupees. Price in rupees. So it is 1200. GST is 18%. 18%. Right? And discount is also in rupees. It is 100. Right? So SP will be 1200 minus 100 becomes 1100. Right? Now we go for GST. So tax is, so this is 18% tax. So tax amount is tax amount is equal to 80 upon 100 into 1100. These two zeros are cancelled out. It is how much? 198. Tax amount is 198. तो नेट एसपी कितनी हो गई? नेट एसपी इज 198. It is 1298. Right? This is 1298. And in second, what happens? Second is
Cashew nuts.
Cashew nuts. Cashew nuts. This is rupees 600. This is 600, and GST is 12%. 12%. Right? No discount. No discount. No discount. तो टैक्स अमाउंट कितना हो गया? So its SP remains same, right? SP is 600 and tax amount tax amount is 600 into 12 upon 100. It is 72 rupees. Tax amount is 72 rupees. So net SP is 672, right? So right, 672, and so total GST paid is equal to 198 plus 72. How much? Rupees 270. That is rupees 270. This is a GST rate, right? And total bill amount including GST. Bill amount is equal to how much? 1298 plus 672. 8 plus 2 becomes 10. 0, 1. Again 17, 1, 9, 1. This is the total amount total amount with GST is equal to this much, 1970 rupees. Get this? This was the solution of your question number 6 part A. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Okay. Should I come?
Yes.
You have done? Six B. What is it?
The sum
Part B. What is saying it? The sum of certain number of terms in arithmetic progression is 65. So AP is what? Read the numbers. 20,
17, 14,
20, 17, 14. Right?
dash is 65.
Yeah. And sum is
65.
sum of numbers sum of certain numbers they how much?
65.
65. Okay, so how you will solve this? Number of term and last term. Okay, so this is A, right? So A2 is A plus D. A2 is 17 is equal to 20 plus D. So you get 17 minus 20 becomes D. So minus 3 is equal to D. You get it? In the second one, A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So you have 14 is equal to 20 plus 2D. 14 minus 20 is equal to 2D. So minus 6 is equal to 2D. So it is minus 3. So D is equal to minus 3. You get this? So common difference D is equal to minus 3. Right? Now Sn is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Oh, sorry. N by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is given you 65. 65 into 2 is equal to n bracket 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. You get it? So now how much you will get now? It is 130 is equal to n bracket 40 minus 3n plus 3. Is it? This plus 3 and 40 becomes
43.
43. So you can write here 43 like this. So now you can write 130. 130 is equal to 43n minus 3n square. You get this? So how much you are having? 3n square 3n square minus 43n plus 130. 3n square goes in positive, this 43n goes in negative, and this is plus 130 is equal to 0. You get this? Now what you do? You know, 130 into 3, 0, 3 times 3 becomes 9, 1 times 3 becomes 30, 390. Now if we take factor of this, so 3, 1, 3, 0. Again, if we take 13, so we get 10. If we go by 2, it becomes 5. If we go by 5, we get 1. Right? So, how much you get? Okay, this is 10 into 3 becomes 33. Sorry, uh, 10 into 3 becomes 30. 30 into 13 becomes 390, and 30 plus 13 becomes 43. So you can write here 3n square minus minus uh, 30 plus 13 n plus 130 is equal to 0. You get this? Now if we rub this and if I solve here, so it becomes 3n square minus 30n minus 13n plus 130 is equal to 0. Right? If you take 3n as a common, it becomes n minus 10 minus 13 as a common, n minus 10 is equal to 0. So if you take n minus 10 is n minus 10 as a common, you get 3n plus, sorry, okay, so 3n minus 13 is equal to 0. So 3n minus 13 is equal to 0. So 3n is equal to 13. So n is 13 by 3. Right? So it is in fraction. Fraction not applicable. Not applicable. Not applicable. So next we have n minus 10 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 10. So there will be 10 terms. You get that? 10 terms. Hmm? Now you get the 10 terms. So लास्ट टर्म मतलब a10th a10th is equal to L is equal to a plus 9d, is it? So a is 20 plus 9 into minus 3, you get 20 minus 27. So last term is minus 7. You get this? So last term is minus 7. Last term is equal to minus 7. So you get the answer, both the answers you get? Huh? So just to cross check it whether our answer is correct. So first answer is this 10 terms, and last term is minus 7, right? Sum, you know, the sum is given you 65, first term is 20, right? So to cross check it whether it is correct or not, what do you do? Should I rub this?
Yes.
Cross check answers. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus l. So it is 65 is equal to 10 by 2 bracket 20 minus 7. Hmm? So this is how much? This is 5, 5,
5 1s and 12s.
5, right? And 20, 20 plus minus 7 will how much? 65 is equal to, it is 2, no, it is 5 times, no? It is 5 times. So 5 into 20 minus 7. So you get 65 is equal to 5 into 13, and therefore you get 65 is equal to 65. Hence correct. Right? The last term is correct. Your number of terms is correct. So this is how you can cross check whether it is correct or not. Right? So this was question number B. Should I rub this?
Yes.
Now come to C. What is that? This is C part. Right? What is that? In C part, it is saying there is a matrix. What is matrix? Read the matrix. Matrix
minus
A is equal to
minus 1
minus 1, 3,
2 0
minus 1, 3. Oh, minus 1, 3,
2 0.
2, 0. This is
B
matrix A. Then
B is 1 minus 2
B is B is matrix 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2,
0 3.
0, 3.
C is 1 minus 4
And C is 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. And D is
4 1.
4 and 1. Right? So, the product of AC is possible. First question, product of AC. Product of AC. A is, so AC is equal to minus 1, 3, 2, 0. And C is 1 minus 4. So number of rows of matrix A should be equal to number of columns or columns of matrix C, but but number of rows of of, of matrix A, that is number of rows. I wrote wrong. यहाँ पे होना चाहिए columns number of columns of matrix A should be equal to number of rows of matrix C. but columns number of columns of matrix A
two,
is equal to 2, and number of rows number of rows
number of column,
no, now number of rows of, this is row na, this is column. You getting my point? This is column, one, two columns. So there must be two rows, but number of rows in matrix C is equal to 1. So not equal. Therefore, product is not possible. Product is not possible. Is it? यहाँ पे कितना है? Number of columns 2. Number of rows is 1. But number of columns of matrix A should be equal to number of rows in matrix C. अगर ये क्योंकि -1 multiplied by 1, 3 will be multiplied by whom? No, not possible. So product is not possible. Getting my point? So product is not possible. Next, what is
x is equal to AB plus B square.
do you understand this? Should I rub this? Because the next question is quite big. Next part. So I'm going to rub this. The second part of this question is what it is. X is equal to x is equal to AB plus AB plus B square minus BC, like this. Let x is equal to ABCD, right? So now you write A B C D is equal to -1 3 2 0. Right. Then B is 1 -2 0 3 plus 1 -2 0 3 1 -2 0 3 minus 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 1 -4 into 4 and 1. This is now what you do. Again we write here like this. This is minus 1 into minus 1 becomes minus 1. Minus 1 into 0. Minus 1 into 2 becomes what? Minus minus plus, plus 2 plus, oh, oh. Mm, this is minus 1 plus 0, right? Minus into 1 becomes minus, plus 3 equals 0. Right, minus 1 into minus 2 becomes 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3 becomes 9. And then we have 2 into 1 becomes 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0. And 2 becomes minus 4 into plus 0. This is you get. Next, 1 into 1 becomes 1, 0. So 1 plus 0. Now 1 minus 2 or minus 6. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 minus 6. Right? Then we have 0, 1, 3, 0. It's 0 plus 0. And this is how much?
Minus 6 plus 9. And minus
0, 0, 0 plus 9. You get it? There is plus, na? In between there is plus. In between there is plus. And minus 1 into 4 is 4.
सर डी सी है, आपने सी डी लिखा है।
हम्म
क्वेश्चन में डी सी है आपने।
अच्छा DC है, तभी बैठ गया। क्या था? 4, 1 ब्रैकेट 1, -4। ठीक। सो क्या हुआ? What will happen?
4, 16
ये
and minus
4 into 4 becomes 4. 4 into minus 16. 1 into 1 becomes 1, and 1 into minus 4, 1 into minus 4 becomes minus 4. You get this? You get this? Now what you get now? Minus 1, 11, 2, minus 4. Getting? Plus, this is 1, minus 8, 0, 9. Is it? Minus 4, minus 16, 1, minus 4. You get it? And that is equal to A, B, C, and D. Is it? So now A is what? A is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 4. Plus minus cancel out. It becomes minus 4. What is B? b is equal to 11 minus 8
plus 16.
plus 16. So कितना हुआ?
3 plus 16. 9.
Right, 19. Now c is 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 minus 1. It becomes how much? 1. And d is equal to minus 4 plus 9 minus 4. So it becomes how much? Minus 4 becomes minus 8. 9 minus 8 becomes 1. You get 1. Right? So at last you get the matrix X. Matrix X is equal to A, B, C and D is equal to what? That is minus 4 minus 4 19 19 1 and 1. You get this? This is your answer. Huh? Is this correct? Hmm? We get it from here and then we write it in this manner. So I hope there will be a reflection there, so I can write it again. It is minus 4 19 1 and 1. Is it correct? Hmm? This was C. Hmm?
So D minus 1. Minus 4 plus 9 minus 5.
ये कितना हुआ? minus 4 ये minus 4 minus 8 9 minus 8
1.
is it? We have done this question number 6. Completed all the parts. Huh? This was question number 6. Should I have all this? Huh? Okay. Now, what is? Use properties of proportion, find the value of x. Okay. Question number 17, part A. What is that? Can you read this?
6x square plus 3x
6x square
plus
plus
3x
3x
minus 5
minus 5
upon 3x minus 5
upon 3x minus 5 is equal to
9x square
huh?
9x square
9x square
plus 2x
plus 2x
plus 5
plus 5
upon 2x plus 5.
upon 2x plus 5. This is ठीक है. by by applying, so question is find value of x applying componendo and dividend. so ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 6x² plus 3x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5 upon 6x² plus 3x minus 5 minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Similarly here 9x² plus 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 5 upon 9x² plus 2x plus 5 minus 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 2x plus 5 minus 5. Here plus 3x minus 3x minus 5 plus 5. Gone. So there is nothing like that in this. So we can write it down 6x² 6x² plus 6x minus 10 upon 6x² is equal to 9x² plus 4x plus 10 upon 9x², 9x², right? Now what you do?
फिर डिविडेंड
Hmm?
फिर डिविडेंड भी लगाएंगे.
Dividend.
Continental dividend.
So what will happen with that? This becomes 12x square plus 6x minus 10. This is 18x square plus 4x plus 10. And this is 6x minus 10, and this is 4x plus 10. Right? So if we apply alterando, I'm just trying. It's not sure. If you alterando, so you write here 9x square. You can write here 9x square upon 6x square is equal to 9x square plus 4x 4x plus 10 upon, you can write 6x square plus 6x minus 10, right? Now applying, now apply apply componendo and dividend. So it becomes 9x square minus 6x square upon 9x square minus, oh, plus, this is plus, this is minus, 6x square is equal to, this is 9x square plus 4x plus 10 plus 6x square plus 6x plus 10. Oh, minus 10. Minus 10 upon 9x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 6x square minus 6x square minus 6x plus 10. ठीक, this is you reached up to here. Now what we can write here, 15x square, sorry, it is 15x square upon 9, this is 3x square, 3x square is equal to, it is 15x square, 15x square, 4x plus 6x becomes 10x, and this plus 10 and minus 10 is cancelled out, right? Upon, here is 3x square, or plus 4 minus becomes minus 6 becomes minus 2x, and here is plus 10, so 10 plus 10 becomes 20. right? Now this is 5 times. 5 times 3 becomes 15. X square is cancelled out. You cross multiplied it. This 15 is cross multiplied with this. So now you get, and there is 1. So here, so you can write here 15x square plus 10x is equal to 15x square minus 10x plus 5 times 2 becomes, it's 100. Is it correct? This 5 is 3. 3 times 5 becomes 15. 2 times 5 becomes 10. And 5 times 20 becomes 100. Now this 15x square and 15x square is cancelled out, right? So what happens? This 10x minus 10x goes on the other side, becomes plus 10x. So it becomes 10x plus 10x is equal to 100. So you get how much? 20x is equal to 100. So you can write 5 times 20 becomes 100. So you get x is equal to 5. Get it? X is equal to 5. What happens? Well,
ऐसे
so why you are laughing?
क्वेश्चन करते हैं इसको काट के उसमें
So this your answer. What your answer was coming? Actually, you have to
so yeah
just apply your brain
15x
here. यहाँ पे जो अल्ट्रेंडो यू ना, दिस इज टेक्निकल पार्ट थोड़ा सा. यू हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन. तो यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा टैक्टिक्स अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी कि यू हैव टू ब्रिंग इन दिस एंड ब्रिंग इन दैट. वो आपका एक फोरकास्ट विजन है कि हाँ, जब हम इसको इधर लाएंगे, जब इस पे फिर कंपोनेंटो डिविडेंडो लगाएंगे.